So today we're gonna have some fun and do some gaming content. Hey everyone, what's happening? Today we're gonna do some gaming content and because I had nothing else planned and I thought this would be fun. So we're going to try and get Worm's Crazy Golf to run through Proton because it's a Windows only game and I haven't done that yet. So actually I've never actually really played this game through Proton ever. So I don't know what I'm going to be getting myself into, but we're going to get it to run. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new. It really helps the channel. And hit that bell if you want to be notified of my newest videos. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and, first of all, we're going to go to the store page, and we're going to take a look at the system requirements. This actually looks like a really fun game, and we're going to go all the way down here and see. It only operates on Windows and Mac OS. There's no Linux version, so it requires 1.25 GHz processor. You see this DirectX 9.0C and 9. DirectX 9, that could give us some problems in here. It may not because now we have DirectX. Ooh, there's a free weekend of weapons of mass destruction. I might have to do that. I might do a video on that too, but I digress. We're gonna go ahead and, but DirectX 9, it used to give us problems before D3, D9, VK, or DirectX to Vulkan's implementation for DX9. So we're gonna go ahead and go up to the top and press install. We're gonna go ahead and install. I don't need it to create anything of that stuff. Finish. That's going to go ahead and install. Now, seems how I haven't done it yet on this computer. We're going to go ahead and hit Control T. And we're going to install Proton Tricks as well. So, I'm going to go ahead and do a Trizon dash capital S Proton Tricks. And now it's going to, there we are. We're not going to edit the package build, but I am going to take a look at it real quick. Looks okay to me, so we're going to go ahead and run it. That's why I like Trizon. It shows me what script it's about to run. And hello. And this is going to come from the AUR, so this is going to, there it goes, and it's going to ask me to install Python VDF. No, I don't want to edit that either. Man, that's installing pretty fast down there. Man, that's coming from the AUR too. Now enter in my super secret password. There we are. Now we're going to go ahead and install that. And this is going to go ahead and build it from source. So I haven't really installed Proton Tricks. You've heard of Wine Tricks, and it's basically Wine Tricks for Proton, designed for Steam Proton, which is for Proton, because of course Proton is a fork of Wine. It's actually an amazing tool. I absolutely love it. I love being able to run my Windows-based games inside of my Linux environment without much trouble at all. And but that's literally what it is. And we're going to go ahead and install number 1. There we go. And here it goes, pulling down Proton Tricks. And we're going to go ahead and install Proton checks as well. Alright, now that that's done, we got... Man, Worms Crazy Golf is almost done. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this off until this is done installing, and then I'll bring it back. And we're back, and it just finished installing. It took about another 2-3 minutes to install. So first things first, we're going to go down into here, and we're going to open up the Worms Crazy Golf here, and we're going to hit Properties. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit Set Launch Options. And this is something I like to do with most games. I'm going to go ahead and go Game Mode Run for Game Mode, %, Command, %. Very important, don't forget the %, Command, % whenever you're entering any launch options into Steam. So now we're going to go ahead and try and launch this right out of the box. Now it's going to tell me that the game will launch. Oh, I got it muted here. Now it's going to tell me the game will launch into Steam Play. And Steam Play is Proton. It's going to display this every time that you try to start a Windows game for the first time, but only for the first time. I'm going to go ahead and hit Continue. Now it's going to prepare to launch Worms Crazy Golf. But I'm going to want to install some dependencies. So, we're waiting for that. But Worms Crazy Golf, I've played it at a friend's house. I've played it a couple times. It's actually pretty fun. But then again, most of the Worms games are pretty fun. And here we go. It looks like we're launching into it. That was unexpected. Man, it looks like it's going to run right out of the box. Thank you, D9VK. Alright, let's try. I'm dancing. Alright, penguin. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what we can do here. Because this is going to be awesome. Alright. I know what the aim of the game is, to get the ball in the hole. Man, it's been a while since I've done this. Okay, I got the coins. That's... Let me see if I can get those coins. Ah, crap. Let's see what we can do here. You know what, Okay. Oops. It came right back to me. Okay. Ooh, I gotta smack the guy over. Awesome. Oh crap. I missed Pa. Ooh. Missed that shot. And here we go. Let's see if I can get this in. Whoops. Alright. Gentle strokes. I got 2 achievements. Okay. People are excited. Alright. I have not played this game in forever, so here we go again. It's making me replay the whole. Oh. Well, let's not do that again. Alright, here we go. On the fairway. Alright. Well, we're gonna go ahead and quit out of this. And now, I did show you Proton tricks, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you that real fast before we go ahead and do this. Now, if a game doesn't quite run, you might need some different Windows dependencies that Steam doesn't install. So you would enter in Proton tricks. Then I'll do a double flag. Then I do GUI. Oops. That's if I can type. Now it's gonna go ahead and bring up a bunch of stuff, and I'd pick a library game. Of course, I got like a bunch of stuff right in here. Spore, Legend of Heroes. Again. Ooh, Worms Armageddon's installed. I forgot about that. And then you would just bring this up, and it would look like, just like Wine Tricks GUI. It's just Proton Tricks is just a wrapper for Wine Tricks. You have to have Wine Tricks installed for it to work, and Wine, and all that stuff. Even though you technically don't have to have Wine installed for Proton, but it just looks like one. And then you just go through and hit this, the Wine prefix, install Windows, If you know how to use Wine Tricks, you know how to use Proton Tricks, so we're going to go ahead and close out of that. But I hope that this was educational for you as far as Proton and getting Windows to run. We're going to go ahead and hack this right off. And I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Also, consider following me on my social media links below. And if you really liked it, check out these videos that are listed on your screen. Have a nice day, and thank you for watching The Penguin Revolution.